Hey, Miss Rowland. This is VFA Jasmine and
This is
Casey,
Jasmine.
and
Hello.
we're here to talk about phototropism. So, what is phototropism? Tropism is defined as a growth in response between a plant and an external stimulus, and photo means light, so together they need a response in return of light from the plant. So, phototropism is defined as the gravitation of a plant towards or away from a light source. Hormones stimulate this reaction, and the chloroplasts arrange themselves to promote maximum growth in the plant. And this regulates homeostasis and makes sure everything in the plant is functioning correctly. It commonly occurs in plants, but it's also found in some fungi. And the two types of phototropism are negative phototropism and positive phototropism. Negative phototropism is the gravitation of a plant away from a light source, while positive phototropism is the gravitation of a plant towards a light source. And the signal mechanism, and auxin is the hormone that's released, and it comes from the clefrol at the tip of the plant, and it's released and it merges, it binds with another protein.
Are we doing good on time?
And so it just regulates the hormone and the growth and development. What type of receptor? Who have the receptor?
Hold on.
Okay.
Is my point even on here?
I
Okay.
guess.
Okay, I'm
do
ready.
you wanna go?
So,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, the signal mechanism. So it's a, what's it called? It's a long distance hormone, and it's called auxin. And also, fun fact for you, auxin is responsible for cell growth and cell development. And so the type of receptor,
Ligand.
the ligand receptor, not reading off the board, Miss Rowland, it's called the TIR1 or TLR1 protein. And so basically when the auxin, when it binds to a receptor, it makes a second messenger that makes ATP through proton pumps and turns on special auxin-regulated genes. And then this produces growth in proteins. This produces growth proteins. And so an easier way to define phototropism is basically like when it's a flower and it stands up tall, then if, like, let's say there's a lamp right here, then it'll either move towards it or away from it. So that's basically what VFA said, but just in a similar definition. And so, my point, is that my point?
Oh, another protein, a major effective protein is EHB1. And this binds to the auxin and it increases the enzyme expression, thus elongating the plant in the direction of sunlight or away from the sunlight, depending on the growth.
And so, like I said, when the plant goes towards the light, the auxins on the lit side of the plant are deactivated as the sunlight hits the plant. And so, and this is talking about the specifics of cellular and, organismal response. And so basically, in the end, this lowers the pH inside of the cell, and it makes it more acidic. And so, the elongation of the cell wall, of the plant cells results in phototropic movement.
So I guess I'm gonna go now.
You just summarize it.
Okay. Auxin is essential for auxin is essential for the growth and development for almost every plant out there, because it plays a vital role in cell division and cell elongation. It establishes internal meristems that produce post-embryonic produces the post-embryonic plant body. Helps to regulates growth of flowers, branches, etc. And it helps to determine the internal structure of a plant's organs, as well as the amount of new primordia that's produced at the shoot apical meristem.
And then here's a nice little picture right there that talks about the pathway of the of
Mhm.
phototropism.
And you see the two major proteins bind to the auxins, and thus it stimulates the growth of the cell wall and elongates the plant. And
Thank
so
you. Oh,
That is a summary of phototropism.
I guess we're done.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Miss Rowland Science Class 4256.
If you like this video, thumbs up.
Leave a comment. Tell us what you want next.
Only
and-
positive comments.
Yeah, or I'm going to disable the comments if you have something negative to say. So,
Or we'll find you.
we'll see you next time.
Bye.